Welcome to Freeman Formula and Well-Rounded Health and Fitness, where it's our mission to train your body and mind to achieve more. Well-Rounded Health and Fitness is a premier club where we can suit just about anybody's needs. We have a full line of great cardio equipment as well as strength training equipment. We also have a room that is designed just for functional training alone, which is a very important and very popular style of training. We also have a rock climbing wall. We have steam rooms. We have also dry saunas, as well as a number of other amenities. Our prices are very simple. It's $49 down, $39 a month, and it's pay as you go. So you can cancel your membership at any time, and it will cancel within a 30-day notice. So a very simple program where you do not have to have a contract for a year or 2 years. It's literally, again, $39 a month, and it's pay as you go. Come on in, check our facility out. We'd love to give you a tour. Give us a call at 315-885-1100. I hope to see you soon.